In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create birthday cards in Canva. Whether you're designing for a loved one or just want to add a personal touch to your celebrations, this tutorial will guide you through each step of the process. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to Canva's homepage. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for an account, but if you're a returning user, just go ahead and log in. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see an option labeled Templates. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Canva really shines, offering a wide variety of templates to suit virtually any need. Once you're in the Templates section, move your attention to the search bar conveniently located at the top. Here, type in birthday card. Press enter, and you'll be greeted with an array of pre-designed birthday card templates. Look through the selection and find one that catches your eye, or maybe even sparks an idea for your own creative twist. After you've selected a template, you'll see two main options. You can either create a blank card or choose a pre-designed template. If you're feeling particularly creative, the blank option gives you a clean slate to work with. However, for those who prefer a bit of guidance, clicking on a pre-made template might be the way to go. Once you've made your choice, the next step is to click on Customize this template. This is where the magic happens. Canva's design interface will open up, allowing you to personalize the card to your heart's content. You can change the text, swap out images, and adjust the colors to reflect your personal style or the recipient's preferences. Don't be afraid to experiment with different elements. Canva's drag and drop feature makes it easy to try new things and see what works best. As you customize, remember to take advantage of Canva's extensive library of fonts, illustrations, and images. This is your chance to make the card truly unique. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save it. Simply click on the download button located at the top right of the screen. Canva offers a variety of file formats, so choose the one that best suits your needs, whether you're planning to print the card or send it digitally. And there you have it. You've successfully created a personalized birthday card in Canva. With just a few clicks, you've crafted something meaningful and special. Whether you're new to Canva or a seasoned designer, creating birthday cards has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.